Does your Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner keep making an error sound when turned on like this? No worries. We'll find the best solution for you. Look at our customer problems that we've successfully resolved. A customer came to us with a Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner that just wouldn't start, constantly throwing error messages. We investigated the vacuum cleaner and found a faulty water sensor was causing it to show errors like this. So we explained the issue to the customer and recommended a water sensor replacement. With the customer's approval, we jumped right into action. And finally, no more error sounds. The vacuum cleaner can work again with maximum performance. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.